वास्कोचे तायक्वांदो अकादमीन 8 ते 10 जून मेरेन पयली ऑल इंडिया ओपन नॅशनल तायक्वांदो सर्त दवरल्या. सर्त ताळगांव पठारावेल्या श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी इंडोर स्टेडियमार जातली. हे पयलीं अकादमीन 3 राज्यस्तरीय सर्तीचे यशस्वी आयोजन केलां.
As rightly said, this is going to be a mega event and an event which will be remembered, and it will be a red letter day in the history of Goa as far as this taekwondo event is concerned. Why we took up this challenge is basically taekwondo has not got its due recognition in Goa especially. So we thought like organizing such event will definitely boost and motivate the budding talents which are already available in Goa,
which has got continuous medal for the state of Goa, whether it is in the national games or whether it is even both the Lusophonia game. We are the only event which has got medals but both the Lusophonia game, when crores of rupees were spent by the government of Goa. Taekwondo is the only event. Second thing, last almost 26 years, though football is the game of the state, recognized game of the state, it is only the taekwondo which has brought medal at a national game, because national game is always honored by the state.
इतल्यान बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.